sports and heritage. The Minister or Cabinet Secretary is Rashid Echesa Mohamed.
Rashid Echesa Mohamed niwe utanyitwo kuihuria ithenya ria Dr. Hassan Wario. Arita Minister mweru wa mathako, rita riri ruhonge ruru rugitongorio ni muthaki watene wa muthako wa boxing. Kuri aingi aria matamui, anakorwo akinyitithanio no teti wa kiama kia ODM, arita mutongoria wa mbeu njithi, na kuria mwaka wa 2016 akorirwo akihamurithio ni kiama giki kumana na gwikuirwo gukorwo na thirito ya hakuhi na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto.
Saluted by more than 50,000 fans inside this stadium tonight.
Mwaka muthiru Echesa akiingira mwaho-ini wa Jubilee na kuhitaitanira giturwa kia mubunge wa Mumias West, na thutha wa kuhotwo akianjiriria kuhurira ndefe mutongoria wa bururi, aingi magikuira ni kumana nao kuratumire amurota minister wa mathako irita njira ya gucokia guoko. President wa kiama kia Athletics Kenya AK Jackson Tuwei nioritie Echesa Dakari marigu kuona ari na wira muingi uri mbere yake uria ni hamwe na gutigirira waki wa iharo ni warika na ihenya.
We are going to give him all the support. We are going to advise him on the areas that we need support, and particularly on 3 areas that we want to start with as Athletics Kenya. The first one is that we have got a lot of athletes whose payments have not been done for a very long time. We have pushed this idea. We have been discussing with the former cabinet secretary. Unfortunately, there are still a lot of athletes who have not been paid their allowances.
Kenya na edi amathako ona umari na mwihoko ishaja matashiario mwaka wa 2016 itikuoneka rungu rwa Echesa makimenereria kugonderera kwa minister urio uraumagara.
Ningependa aweze kuangalia kuzingatia mambo ya uwanja.
Angekumbuka wale wanaspoti wakale, juu tumesoma kwa magazeti wengine walishiriki sana katika sports ya Kenya na wamesaulika.
Ile kazi amepewa aitumie kuimarisha vibawa vya vijana.
Ritwa yake rietereirio kuhitukio giikaro-ini kia bunge niguo kwambiriria wira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV haro-ini, njitagwo mwihaki wa Ndogo.